Hi guys, for today's video I will show you how to download Roblox Studio on mobile device. I am using an Android phone right now, so let's get started. First open the Google Chrome and on the search bar search roblox.com. So as you can see this one, just click this one, roblox.com, and then you'll be routed to a page that says continue in app on continue in browser. So just press continue in app and it will be routed you to install the applications. So you just click install original application and it will routed you to install Roblox. So just click install. So once you already downloaded the app, just open the application and it will be routed you to a page for you to sign up or log in. If you already have an account in Roblox, just click log in, and if you don't have account yet, just press sign up. Just put on your birth date, your username, and don't use your real name. So and 8 characters excuse me, 8 characters password and your gender, and then just click sign up. Then once you already sign in and create an account, just press this one, create, and will be teach you to create some and create whatever you want. And that's it. That's how you download and create on Roblox Studio. So thank you for watching and like and subscribe for more videos and updates.